Dear participants, as we come to the close of this ATAL Faculty Development Program, I want to say a big thank you to all of you. This program was a great success because of your active participation, enthusiasm, and valuable contributions throughout the week. Before we conclude, we would love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Just a few minutes of open feedback to help us understand what worked well and what we can improve in future. There are no right or wrong answers. We are just looking for your honest impressions. Participants, I would now like to call upon our fellow participants who have volunteered to give the feedback. Anyone else who has volunteered for the feedback may please put the name on the chat box. I have enabled the mic and camera of the volunteers. If you're comfortable, you may on your camera, else you can speak on your mic. I would like to request Ms. Pradnya Pradhan from SFIT to please give a feedback. Pradnya ma'am, please try to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. This is Pradnya Pradhan from the Computer Department, St. Francis Institute of Technology. I would like to say thanks to everyone for, and I'm happy to join the faculty development program on intelligent connectivity, AI-driven evolution in next generation computer communication networks. It was a truly enriching learning experience for me, and especially I would like to say thanks to the electronics department. I enjoyed the session on MIMO beamforming, which is closely related to my ME project, and I deepened my understanding and how effectively this technology is implementing nowadays, that I really enjoyed. After that, the discussion yesterday on the cybersecurity, which is my recent research area, that were also insightful and highly relevant to my current network challenges also. And the additional the session on the stress management, which is also added a refreshing and the practical touch. So overall, the program was very informative, well balanced, and highly motivating for me. So thank you, Shilpa ma'am and the Kevin sir for this effective session for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pradnya ma'am. Participants, if anyone else is interested in giving the feedback, please mention on the chat box or on the WhatsApp group. With this, we move on to our next participant, Shubhashini Shukla from St. John's. Shubhashini ma'am, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Subhasini Shukla, Assistant Professor in St. John College of Engineering and Management, Palghar, Department Electronics and Computer Science. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to St. Francis Institute of Technology for organizing this AICD-sponsored ATAL FDP on intelligent connectivity, AI-driven evolution in next-generation communication networks. As I will give you an overall feedback that how this FDP has helped me. So this FDP has helped me to understand several new concepts, especially the way AI is transforming wireless communication, how machine learning models supports network optimization, and how 5G, 6G networks integrate AI for intelligent connectivity. And especially the last session that was for respectful for with respect to the stress management. So overall all the sessions with respect to the resource person for delivering such insightful and practical with respect to their interactive sessions It's very informative. I thank all the organizers, Shilpa Madam, Dr. Kevin Sir, as my sincere thanks to everyone for giving us an opportunity and giving an insights for this highly new, valuable insights for us and for creating a collaborative environment for us. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, I would like to call upon Dr. Jayasudha Koti from St. Francis Institute of Technology.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible, Valentina?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Really, it was a great learning experience, and the topic is really highly relevant to the current technological advancements and provided valuable insights into the integration of artificial intelligence with the emerging communication technologies. And the sessions are very informative, it's well structured. It bridges two transformative domains, artificial intelligence and communication technologies, and it offers both academic and industrial significance. All the resource persons explained their research topics and shared their practical examples. And thanks to all the resource persons for their time, effort, inspiring and enriching sessions. And their deep understanding of AI and next generation communication has helped us to gain a perspective on current trends and future possibilities. In addition to theoretical concepts, we also got an opportunity to explore and visualize the data center. And most interesting and refreshing session is stress management. And it is really necessary to all of us to balance the human intelligence and artificial intelligence and to prioritize. And thanks to the coordinators, Dr. Kevin Sir and Ms. Shilpa Chaman for organizing and giving us an opportunity to explore the emerging technologies. Finally, it is the departmental dedication and professionalism made the smooth execution of the FDP. Thanks to all of you and kudos to all of us and have a pleasant weekend. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next up, I would like to request Dr. Baban from KC College of Engineering to please share his feedback. Sir, are you able to unmute yourself?
Yes. It's audible, madam?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Yeah. Good evening to everyone present here. Respected the dignitaries and all the authorities, that is Dr. Deepak Jaiswal sir, Principal of SFIT, Dr. Gautam Shah, VP of the SFIT. Then this ATAL FDP team, that is Dr. Kevin sir as a program coordinator and Miss Silpa madam as a co-coordinator, and all the organizing committee members and the whole HTC department, the resource persons, and all fellow participants. It is truly an honor to share my feedback on the wonderful AICT Atal FDP on intelligent connectivity, AI-driven evolution in next generation communication networks. Over the past 6 days, this FDP has been an enriching and insightful journey. It provided us with a deep understanding of how AI is transforming modern communication networks from intelligent resource allocation and the 5G and 6G architecture to IoT edge computing and smart connectivity solution. I would like to sincere thanks to the AICT training and learning, that is ATAL Academic for sponsoring this FDP, and San Francisco Institute of Technology, Mumbai, for organizing it so efficiently, this FDP. The session were extremely well structured, balancing both theoretical knowledge and practical perspective for whole 6 days. Each resource person brought in valuable expertise. Their talks were not only technically sound but also visionary. That will be helpful for the new researcher also. The live demonstration, case studies, and interactive session, they have complex concept they have given, and each session that will be they have very well presented and presented the whole session for the 6 days. Okay. Then total that is actually 22 years of program for this program for the FDP 6 days conducted. The renowned expert from the field of electronics, telecommunication, computer, IT, and latest technology that is emerging trends in all the fields. That is experts from the academia, industry. That not only that experts, renowned expert, but they are from national and international levels also. Few of them from international level. The Dr. Chetan Bhatnagar, Mr. Sivaraman Krishnan and Iyer has given online overview and tour of data center and nicely explained each and everything available in the data center at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. It's a great experience in online mode, just like of real-time industrial visit to the this data center, Yogata Data in Navi Mumbai. Mr. Anurag Singh has given nice explanation regarding data center also. The all the sessions very nicely organized and delivered by the expert. Special thanks to each and everyone, extra ordinary experts for the 6 days online ATAL FDP. Then special appreciation goes to the organizing team and coordinator for their excellent coordination, punctuality, and smooth conduction of the this every session. The pre-session briefings, well-timed question and answer interaction in chat box also in the WhatsApp also the group and feedback collection reflected great professionalism. Personally, I found the discussion on AI-enabled 6G, cognitive radio, also data centers and machine learning. All these topics have opened new adventure for the researchers for the innovative projects also. In conclusion, this FDP has indeed met its objective of enhancing faculty knowledge and inspiring us to integrate emerging technology into our curriculum and research. Once again, my heartfelt thanks to AICT Atal FDP, then Principal and Vice Principal, Honorable Management of SFIT, and the organizing team, all resource person, and my fellow participants for making this FDP as a truly memorable learning experience. It's a grand success as a AICT Atal FDP on intelligent connectivity, AI-driven evaluation in next generation communication network as organized by SFIT Mumbai. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for such a detailed feedback. We are really honored by your observations.
It's my pleasure, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Now, I would like to request Mr. Ramji Yadav to please give his feedback. Ramji, sir, is from St. Francis Institute of Technology.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Good evening to all. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me the opportunity to give a feedback. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir, you are.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Okay, so there are many things that has been of a great benefit to me. One thing is that before this also I have attended many FDPs, right? But what I noticed here is that the content that the resource person were having, so they are beyond like when I started day one and I was just trying to understand the things that they were talking, and I graduated in 2008 and I have around 15 years of teaching experience, but I was shocked to see that so many things are happening in the communication engineering domain, and where people are applying the tools and technologies that are emerging post COVID, mostly AI. Now what happens is that what my observations are that our curriculum is designed in such a way that we are not able to explore these things while teaching to the student, right? So we teach mostly the basic things at BTech level, and when it comes to optimization algorithms, applying AI and other algorithms to improve the system performance, right? Especially in the communication domain. So personally, I don't notice all these things in our syllabus, and that is why most of the time we also don't discuss these things with our student also. Uh, like for example, every year we are every year, or you can say every semester, we are going through many project presentations, right? Students are coming with new projects, and almost all the AI projects that the student bring, they mostly talk about recommendation systems, then identifying, classifying things, then predicting something, right? Uh, to my knowledge, I don't think I have seen any project. At least I have not seen any project which talks about resource optimization and maybe automating the spectrum selection and these kind of things using the AI and machine learning. So that is something that is a great takeaway for me, that lot many things are happening in communication engineering domain where we can apply AI and other things, and we can have a interdisciplinary learning like that. So this is one great thing. And then again, coming back to the content that the resource persons were sharing, that is something like beyond my capacity also. I tried my level best to understand most of them, and I will go through the PPTs again and again. I will try to understand whatever I fail to understand again, because I know that it will take a lot of time to understand somebody doing their post doctorate research and then sharing their work, right? So it's not that simple for somebody like me to understand everything. So maybe I'll take the PPTs, go through it once again, and maybe I'll try to formulate some problem for my students. Maybe I will encourage some students to do a project on these topics, because I've not seen anybody taking projects in this domain using AI and other things. So that is one another great takeaway for me. And through the projects, and then maybe involving the students, maybe I'll try to implement whatever I have learned here. And then I teach cloud computing to my students. So every time I try to make them understand basically what the data center is and how it looks like, what are the facilities there, how to secure it. And I talk to them. So just to make it more understandable, I show them some data center videos of AWS and other big companies. And today, first time I was in a session where a live demo of a data center is going on. So I just completed my practical exams in college, and I was traveling. And then while I was traveling, only the session started, and I thought I will turn on the meeting, and then I'll keep moving, keep traveling, and finally I'll reach home, and then I'll start the audio and start listening. But then I saw that somebody is actually giving a live demo of a data center. And I'm like, let me wait, sit somewhere. So I sat at the platform, turn on the video, and then I started watching. And that is something, another great takeaway for me, somebody teaching cloud computing and then getting exposure of real-time demo of a data center. And that too, a data center of our own Indian providers. So another good takeaway for me. And finally, the session by Mr. Harpreet Chaman, right? This is one session that I think almost everybody need nowadays. We all are stressed because of many things. Right? One of my personal concern, because I have kids and parents, and one of my personal concern about digital era is that we all are getting addicted to reels, including me, right? I'm not something who's like, I'm not claiming that I'm not addicted, right? Only thing is that the content is different. I'm watching something else. My small little daughter is watching something else. My father is scrolling something else. The content is different, but then almost everybody is most of the time scrolling, going through the reels. I've seen that many students in colleges have started making reels, and I've seen the subjects where people are being taught how to make reels. So it is becoming an integral part of our lives, and whether it is helping us or whether it is stressing us, that totally depends on person to person. But uh, we need to understand, right? We need to understand how to handle these things. So that last session by Mr. Chaman was again insightful to tell us that how we can manage and we can navigate through this digital era and maybe we can benefit from it, right? Rather than the digital thing stressing us, we can try to utilize it to our benefits. And again, it was a wonderfully organized FDP. So all thanks to my HOD, Dr. Kevin sir, and Miss Shilpa Chaman, and the entire team, right? So I've seen how people have been working on this FDP, right? Getting everything executed perfectly in time, right? If something goes wrong, something is not happening, somebody's having internet problem. So I've seen how people are trying alternative ways to get things done. So to mostly to audience, like if you are only attending the event, the only thing that may go wrong is you're not able to connect to session, right? But when you are organizing such events, then a lot of work goes behind the scene and many things go wrong, right? So getting things done at right time so that all the attendees are able to learn, benefit from the session, it takes a lot of efforts, right? So I would like to congratulate Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, Dr. Kevin sir and Ms. Shilpa ma'am and the entire team for a successful completion of this wonderful event. So thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to attend as well as contribute in this FDP. Thanks a lot to everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for your feedback. Anyone else would like to give the feedback? We have a couple of minutes more. You may put it on the chat box or on the WhatsApp. Okay, so since we do not have any reply, last but not the least, I would just last to thank our head of the department, Dr. Kevin Aruna, because sir had asked us to enroll for this and we weren't ready to enroll for this. But throughout all these days, I think we have had a really good coordination. We have been discussing over WhatsApp continuously throughout these sessions about what we understood, what we did not understand, clearing each other's doubt, talking on what further can be done in this field by us, what research we can get into. And I think all of this was possible because of this FDP. So thank you so much to all the organizers who are present here. Also, a very big thank you to all the participants for your active involvement. A lot of the participants were always connected, right from asking questions to asking about various concepts, and it was really a good experience as an organizer as well. So, thank you once again to everyone. And with this, we complete with the feedback session. We are just about to start with our valedictory in the next 1 minute. So I request everyone to stay back in the session. After the valedictory, we are going to have a small briefing about the various issues being faced during filling of the ATAL feedback or the journal or the quiz. So requesting all the participants to stay for a couple of minutes and we'll be starting with the valedictory.